Hey guys, it's Jackie Best, your Premier Designs jewelry stylist. I'm so excited to bring you a brand new video series starting today called Fashion Fridays. Now, in my Facebook VIP group, I reached out to the girls and asked, what do you need from me? What do you want in this group? And the number one answer over and over was fashion tips, because listen, there are no courses. We don't take a course on how to style ourselves and how to get ready quickly. And so that's what I am here for. So each week on Friday, I will be bringing you a new video showing you some of my easiest tips to organize your clothes, what to shop for, and obviously how to bring it all together with your accessories. And then if you guys have any requests, of course, you know where to find me, jewelrywithjackie.com. Comment below, make sure to subscribe, follow, like, share, and join this journey with me. So today we are going to start off with one of my biggest questions that I receive, and that's how do you organize your clothes so that they are so fast and easy to grab in the morning? So come along with me. We're going to head into the closet. One of the biggest ways that you can actually make sure that you are successful in the morning, pulling your clothes together really quick and easy and having style, is by organizing your clothes. And it seems overwhelming, but it's really not. It's first of all pulling the items out that you don't wear anymore, and I use that Marie Kondo KonMari method for sure. But then taking what you do have that you love and making sure that it's organized in the morning. So I obviously have a walk-in closet. I understand not everyone does, and we just added onto our house a few years ago. So before that we didn't. But the tips that I'm going to give you are great for walk-in closets, regular closets, and we're going to talk about drawers next. So you can see behind me, these are my tops. This stuff over here is my husband's, and you can see it's obviously color coordinated. But what I've also done is I've started with tank tops and t-shirts. Then I move to knits and sweaters. And then in the back over here, I have cardigans and blazers. The reason that's so important is because the method that I like to use is a 1, 2, 3 method. The first method is actually wearing your base layer. So it's going to be, just a knit shirt. It's going to be a tank top. It's going to be a t-shirt, usually a solid color. Doesn't have to be, but that's where I like to start. And so my step ones are going to be all in the front here. So when I need a base layer, I'm going to go ahead and pull from the first half of the clothes that I have hanging. My step 2 is going to be a layering piece. So in the winter, that might be a cardigan sweater, it might be a blazer, might be a long duster sweater. In the summer, it might be a kimono, something soft and airy, maybe a denim jacket. And so in the back over here, I have my step 2s. These are my cardigans, my kimonos, my blazers, and some jackets. And so when I'm getting ready in the morning, I can easily pull a step 1 and easily pull a step 2 and get the colors that I need. So making sure that you have just what you love, making sure that it's color coordinated, and you have your step 1s and step 2s separated is your first tip to making sure you can get ready fast in the morning. So those same exact principles of color coding and making sure your steps 1 and 2 are separated is exactly the same thing you're going to apply to your dresser drawers. I use the KonMari method of folding, and I'm going to show you that in a second. And that helps because then all of your things can be seen. And I know one of the things, I'll show you my drawer as we're talking, is that when I go into my dresser, I want to be able to see everything. And so what I have here is obviously color-coded shirts. I have all of my tank tops and t-shirts in the beginning over here. So when I'm looking for that, not only do I know the section where my t-shirts are going to be, but I can see each and every one to see the one that I want to wear. Next, I go with my long sleeve shirts, and those are also sort of colored together. And then over here are more pajamas and sleep shirts. So I know in the morning when I'm going to be pulling a t-shirt or a shirt, I know exactly where it is. Next is my pant drawer. Obviously I have jeans together. These are all black leggings, and then also black more professional pants here. So you can see again with the KonMari method of folding, you can see every single piece instead of them being on top of each other and you're not remembering if it's in the drawer or if it's downstairs in the hamper. You can see everything and it's color coded, which makes it so much easier. So we're going to start showing you how to fold with shirts. So this is a basic t-shirt. I've put it face down, smooth it out a little bit. You're going to fold it into itself. You can do it as small as you like, smoothing out at each step. Then you go up about 3/4, leaving the top, and then in thirds. So you're going to fold once and then again. Everything should be able to sit up when it's done, and this is how you will actually put it in so that the whatever's on the actual shirt you'll be able to see, and you want to keep the collar down when you put it into your dresser. Pants, I like to fold in so that the zipper is on the inside. I try to tuck in the crotch a little bit so that everything stays compact. Again, we are going to go 3/4, leaving the top here. That just helps when you do it in thirds, keeps it nice and tight. So now we're going to go in thirds. There's one and the next fold. Again, it's going to be able to stand up by itself. And this is how you will layer everything into your dressers so that they are nice and compact. So you can see that by separating by color and then by step 1 and step 2, getting dressed is a snap. How you guys put up with my antics, I don't know, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for joining me for my first ever episode of Fashion Friday. Join me next week as we talk a little bit about how to shop, what items you need to have in your closet, and then we'll get on to accessories. Again, you guys can always find me at jewelrywithjackie.com. Like, follow, share, subscribe, and as always, be blessed.